Most drivers have no idea these fixes even exist. Nearly 97% will keep throwing money at shops for problems that take minutes and a few dollars to solve at home. Some of these will slash your repair bills by hundreds every year. Here are 15 genius car hacks no one believes are possible. Let's start with hack number 15, petroleum jelly fix for stiff wiper blades. Your wipers chatter, skip, and streak no matter how recently you replace them. Most people assume the blades are shot. The real culprit is usually sun-baked rubber that has gone hard and lost its flex. Grab a jar of petroleum jelly and run a thin coat along the entire rubber edge, both the wiping surface and the backside. Wipe off the excess so nothing smears on the glass. The jelly softens the dried rubber, lets the blade sit flat again, and restores a clean wipe. $4 covers every car you own for years. Stiff rubber. Hack number 14, fresh apple trick for frosted windshields. Every cold morning the glass turns into a sheet of ice or fog and you're stuck scraping or waiting on the defroster. Cut a fresh apple in half and rub the cut face across the outside of the windshield in slow, even strokes. Let the thin film dry, then buff lightly with a clean cloth. The natural pectin and sugars leave an invisible barrier that resists moisture. Hack number 13, toothpaste rescue for bird dropping stains. A bird hits the hood and the droppings sit in the sun. The acid starts etching the clear coat within a couple of days, sometimes faster in summer heat. Dab plain white toothpaste on the spot and work it gently in small circles with a damp cloth. The mild abrasives lift the residue before it bonds permanently and can even buff out light etching that has already started. Rinse and dry. Hack number 12, WD-40 trick for a sticking fuel cap. Twisting the fuel cap open has become a wrestling match. Most drivers assume the whole assembly is failing and start pricing a replacement. Spray a light mist of WD-40 on the outer threads and hinge, keep it off the rubber seal, then wipe away the excess. The lubricant dissolves grit and light surface rust that weather and time leave behind. The cap turns smoothly again. $5 lasts years of fill-ups. A stiff cap is almost never a broken part, it's just dry threads. Keeping it free also protects the seal that prevents check engine lights from loose cap codes. Hack number 11, dry coffee grounds for cabin odor removal. Car has a mystery odor that every air freshener only layers on top of. Fill a small open cup or an old sock with plain unused coffee grounds and leave it in a cup holder or under a seat overnight. The porous grounds physically absorb odor molecules instead of masking them. By morning the smell is gone or dramatically weaker. $6 of grounds can be reused across multiple cars. This is the same absorption principle professional odor treatments charge over $100 for. Leave a small container in place and it keeps working for weeks. Especially effective after food spills or a wet umbrella. Hack number 10, shoe polish revival for faded tire sidewalls. Your tires have gone from deep black to chalky gray and the whole car looks neglected even when everything else is clean. Most people assume new tires are the only answer. The rubber underneath is usually fine, only the surface has oxidized. Work black paste shoe polish, not the liquid kind, into the sidewalls with a brush or cloth, paying extra attention to the lettering. Let it set a minute, then buff. The pigment binds into the rubber texture the way it does on leather, restoring depth that lasts through rain and highway speeds far better than spray dressings that fling off in a day. $3 outlasts a dozen bottles of tire shine, because it's absorbed instead of coated. Hack number 9, petroleum jelly barrier for battery terminals. You open the hood and find white or blue-green crust on the terminals. Soon the car hesitates to start. Shops love to sell a new battery for $150 or more when the battery itself was never the problem. After cleaning any existing corrosion with a wire brush, coat the terminals and connectors with a thin layer of petroleum jelly. The barrier blocks moisture and air, the exact combination that creates corrosion. $4 protects the terminals for well over a year. Corroded terminals, not a dead battery. Hack number 8, hot water trick for popping out bumper dents. A shallow dent in the plastic bumper stares at you every time you walk up. Body shops want $200 or more just to pop it out. Boil a pot of water and pour it slowly over the dented area from a safe distance. Once the plastic softens, push firmly from behind or press outward from the front until the dent releases. Immediately follow with cold water to lock the shape. Costs nothing but water and can be repeated on multiple dents. Plastic bumper covers are designed to flex under heat, that's why this works without filler or paint. Strictly for plastic covers, metal panels won't respond. Wear gloves, the surface gets hotter than expected. Hack number 7, the hidden heated mirror button nobody uses. Rain or frost fogs the side mirrors and you lean over at every light to wipe them by hand. Look for the small icon showing wavy lines coming off a mirror shape, usually on the dash or center console and often tied to the rear defroster switch. Press it and heating elements built into the glass clear the mirrors in a couple of minutes. The feature already came with the car. Most drivers miss it because the icon is small and buried among others. On many vehicles, the rear defroster automatically activates the mirrors too, so yours may already be working without you knowing. Check the owner's manual once for the exact location. Hack number 6, baby oil revival for faded interior plastic. Dashboard and door panels have turned chalky gray and make even a clean car look old. Shops charge $40 to $80 for trim restoration. Put a few drops of baby oil on a microfiber cloth and wipe the panels in long even strokes, then buff the excess with a dry cloth. The oil soaks into sun-damaged plastic and restores rich color without a greasy shine. $5 lasts months of applications. Same principle as the expensive trim products that cost 4 times as much. Hack number 5, the door pump trick for cooling a hot car fast. The car has sat in the sun and opening the door feels like stepping into an oven. The AC needs 10 minutes just to catch up. Before you start the engine, roll one window all the way down and pump the opposite door open and close several times. Each swing forces a burst of superheated air out the open window. Within under a minute, the cabin temperature drops noticeably. Then start the car and the AC only has to cool normal air instead of an oven. Costs nothing and works every time. A parked car's interior can run dozens of degrees hotter than outside air, exactly why the AC struggles at first. Hack number 4, WD-40 spot fix for leather and vinyl seats. Leather or vinyl seats show small scuffs, squeaks, or stiff patches that make the cabin look worn. Detail shops add $30 to $60 for conditioning. Spray a little WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly on the seat, and work it into the scuffed or stiff spots in small circles, then buff dry. The light lubricant lifts surface scuffs and softens patches that have started to stiffen or crack. $5 covers the whole interior many times. This is a quick spot treatment, not a replacement for proper leather conditioner on a regular schedule. Always test on a hidden area first. Finishes vary. Wipe off every trace of excess so the seat doesn't feel slick. Hack number 3, the hidden umbrella compartment feature. You get caught in a downpour, toss the soaked umbrella on the seat or floor and end up with a puddle and a lingering damp smell. Certain vehicles, especially some European models, have a dedicated umbrella slot built into the door panel or under a seat, complete with its own drain so water never reaches the carpet. Check the door pockets and under the front seats for a slim umbrella-shaped compartment you may have driven past for years. Costs nothing because it's already there. Most owners never find it because the manual never mentions it. If your car doesn't have one, a $10 aftermarket holder that clips into the door pocket delivers almost the same result. Some luxury brands even include a matching umbrella already in the slot. 30 seconds of searching can save your carpet the next time a storm hits. Hack number 2, petroleum jelly fix for squeaky pedals. The brake or clutch pedal squeaks or feels sticky and stiff at the pivot, and it's been driving you nuts. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to the pivot points and contact areas, never thick globs on the pedal pad itself. Use a microfiber cloth or an old toothbrush to work it evenly into the mechanism. The jelly lubricates the metal-to-metal contact, causing the noise and restores smooth, silent travel. $4 handles the fix for years. After treating, pump the pedal a few times with the engine off to confirm the squeak is gone. If it returns after a few months, then it's time to have a mechanic look deeper. The same treatment works on a stiff parking brake pedal. Number 1 hack, a feature nearly every driver has flipped at some point without knowing why it works. Hack number 1, the tab hiding on your rear view mirror. Headlights from the car behind blast straight into your eyes at night, and for a moment you're half blind. Most people just squint or tilt the mirror and lose track of traffic. That small tab under the rearview mirror flips the glass into night mode using a wedge-shaped prism. In the daytime position you get a bright, sharp reflection. Flip the tab and the prism redirects the intense glare downward, while still giving you a dim but usable view of what's behind. The feature has been in the car the entire time at zero extra cost. A huge percentage of drivers never touch the tab simply because no one ever points it out. Remember to flip it back each morning. A dim mirror in daylight is almost as risky as a blinding one at night. Make it automatic the moment the sun goes down rather than waiting until headlights start bothering you. 2 seconds, that makes a real difference on long night drives. Newer cars sometimes replace the manual tab with auto-dimming glass that senses glare and adjusts itself. Check which type you have. If you don't see a tab, run a finger along the bottom edge. On some models it's recessed and easy to miss. Teaching a new or teenage driver about this early can prevent a dangerous moment of blindness on their first night drives. How many of these have you actually tried? Drop a comment with the one that surprised you most. If this saved you a trip to the shop, hit subscribe for more tricks that keep money in your pocket instead of theirs.